Hi guys, this is Priya, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the top 5 features of the TP-Link Wi-Fi wireless N router. So let's get started. This router has an elegant texture which makes it a stylish addition to the decor of any room it is installed at. Easy setup. This Wi-Fi wireless router can be set up in just few minutes, all thanks to its intuitive web interface and powerful Tether app. The TP-Link Tether app provides the easiest way to access and manage your router on your smartphones and allow you to start enjoying your new device faster than ever. This TP-Link router provides speedy and stable Wi-Fi for your network needed devices. Up to speed 300 Mbps, this makes a practical solution for your home network applications. Greater coverage and enhanced reliability. This router has 3 5 dBi high-gain antennas perfect for small to medium house, and its better coverage lets you never lose connections and enjoy more stable connections. Parental control. This router has an easy parental control that allows parents or administrators to deploy restricted access for children or staff with URL blocking. You can easily set up a black or white list to limit the level of web access. Overall, this TP-Link wireless router provides an exceptional and advanced wireless performance, which makes it ideal for home, offices, and businesses for networking requirements.